Greetings, my name is Jim, and the purpose of this video is to share with our customers some of the work that has gone into the current version of Savant and provide a preview of where we are heading. So let's get busy. Savant software began in 1987 as Executive Performance Systems. EPS provided executive information systems, or what we refer to today as business intelligence, to large and mid-sized companies. Our first warehouse management application was released in 1993, running on the Unix platform. Our Windows-based product, called Savant WMS, was released in 1998. In 2003, the ERP side of the business was sold, and we turned our focus exclusively on the development of supply chain applications. Savant software was created. During the life cycle of the product, Savant has added a ton of new features and functionality, as well as multiple ancillary modules. We've upgraded the user interface and stayed current with advances in SQL Server. But we also realize that to continue our growth, we need to move the product forward in all phases, including technology. In 2013, we released our entry-level warehouse solution called Savant ADC, and last year, we released Phase 1 of our new WMS solution. When creating the current and next generations of Savant products, we sought feedback from our employees, industry experts, partners, and customers. Their responses helped shape our vision. First, expanding the product is critical, and we need to continue adding new features, functionality, and modules. Second, the design should be scalable, allowing customers to purchase the system that they need today with an upgrade path as their supply chain needs change. Third, new technologies are always emerging. With respect to warehouse automation, Savant is already in the early stages of testing virtual reality headsets and robotics. These new technologies, as well as smart systems, will begin to reshape supply chain distribution in the next decade. During the past few years, new channels of distribution have become popular. While the traditional license model remains, we now also support software as a service and hosted on-premise purchase models. These new price models provide tremendous flexibility for prospects and customers. Finally, there is a migration towards open source solutions, and in a future release, Savant will include open source APIs. With our open source APIs, you will be able to access Savant's core WMS engine and develop your own user interfaces or ancillary applications. The new generation of Savant was designed from key elements of the former version. The database, feature functionality, and modular design remains in place. The big change, however, is the technical architecture of the system itself. At the foundation layer, Savant still runs on Windows Server, utilizing SQL Server as the database engine. Most mobile device platforms have embedded browsers, so in order to provide a device-agnostic environment, the scanner applications have been rewritten to run on an internet browser. This requires that IIS Server is installed on the Windows Server. By the way, we still support the traditional text-based interface on the mobile devices as well. Our current version of Savant is developed from the ground up using the latest Microsoft technologies. The Windows or PC-based administration console is written in .NET using the Windows Presentation Foundation. The mobile device applications were developed using ASP.NET and JavaScript. During the past couple of years, you have heard a lot about our latest product, Savant ADC. Savant ADC is an entry-level WMS solution targeting small to mid-sized distribution operations. But even more important, Savant ADC is the foundation and platform for Savant's other suite of products, including Savant WMS. The new Savant WMS is built on the ADC foundation. To get WMS feature functionality, you simply need to enter a WMS activation code, and all of the WMS capabilities are exposed. This provides a very robust product offering that can scale multiple business tiers all on a single code set and database architecture. GrowSavvy is our WMS solution for the agricultural industry, and our ancillary modules are at various stages of being upgraded using the new platform. While we will continue to grow the Savant ADC, WMS, and GrowSavvy product lines, as well as expanding our ancillary modules, the big changes will be happening at the foundation layers. The next generation of Savant will be multi-server capable. This means that Savant will be able to run on non-Windows environments like Linux. Savant will also support multiple databases. The goal here is to make Savant solutions more cost-effective and provide you with more options as your business evolves over time. This will be accomplished using Microsoft Kestrel. To Microsoft's credit, they are embracing open source architectures, and Kestrel is a cross-platform web server for ASP.NET. Savant will be using the not yet released ASP.NET Core along with AngularJ and jQuery. The software will also be built around Savant's own open source APIs. While moving the technology bar is important, we also need to expand our feature functionality and add new modules. In a couple of minutes, I will show you the current version of Savant. The first thing that you will notice is that the interface has a new, modern look and feel. We have added role-based security, and we now support multiple languages at the user level. This will let you select a language for a user that he or she is more comfortable using. Savant also supports voice picking. One of our customers reports that voice picking improved their order fulfillment process by up to 35%. We recently improved box build to handle large orders with multiple boxes, multiple items per box, and multiple units of measure. And finally, we have added a new business intelligence or BI module. If you would like to receive more information about the current release of Savant or would like a demo, contact Chris Jackson at 828-388-3755. I'm going to take just a couple of minutes and let you see and experience the current version of Savant. This is the Savant ADC product. Remember that the WMS version is built on the ADC platform, and all of the WMS features and functionality become available by simply updating your license tree. We are looking at the Administration Console. Using the ribbon menu, I can launch the security setup and create a security role. Every screen and function can be switched on or off. Once the role is created, we can assign it to a user, and a user can have multiple roles. I can also quickly change the language for a user. After updating, all screens and prompts for just that user will be displayed using the new language. You can see that the ancillary modules like WIP appear as part of the system. Now let's go to the product inquiry screen so that you can see how an inquiry screen looks. The detailed information is displayed in the grid, and the grid can be resorted by column, data can be filtered, and columns can be moved around or hidden. When you exit the screen, your unique grid customizations are saved just for you. This gives you a quick taste of the admin console, so now let's take a peek at the mobile device or scanner application. Because the goal is to support as many scanner platforms as possible, the application runs in an internet browser. The menus launch their related apps. By the way, Savant is running on Microsoft's new Edge browser, and the entire system is running on Windows 10. Now that you've seen the current product, let me take a few minutes to share some future features that we have scheduled. First, we will be adding a cycle count option to the picking process. This will let you cycle count a location where picking has just occurred. We will also be adding the transaction log to the Administration Console as a filterable grid. No more running SQL queries. We will be expanding our mobile device or scanner workflows and prompts and letting the system administrator determine the order of those prompts in the application. We are looking to add a yard management module that will include appointment scheduling for inbound and outbound trucks. And as we discussed earlier, we will provide open source APIs so that you can create your own user experiences. Now during this video, we've showcased Savant's latest products and provided a roadmap for the future. But we still encourage you to provide feedback and make suggestions on how we can improve. Also, if you are looking to upgrade from an older version of Savant, please contact Chris Jackson or Diane Cawley. We appreciate your trust and commitment to Savant and look forward to growing together. Thank you for watching Savant's video series. For more information, you can contact us by phone at 602-906-3047, by email info@savantwms.com, or visit our website www.savant.com. savantwms.com.